crying when she hurt her lip?
Yeah, she cried a lot. I'm not getting you, I'm just getting her. Daddy's hitting you in the head with the pelota? Emily, throw a ball to Daddy. Throw it to Daddy. Throw it. I'm not getting you, I'm just getting her. Don't hit me, please. That's adorable. Uh-oh. Throw it. You like that she throws it right when she gets there? Are you mad about her lip? Hmm? It's an accident. This is an accident. Sometimes accidents happen. You gonna play with your Legos? You gonna drag them all around the house?